Okay, so this week I worked on a couple features and started setting up the web UI. And let's start the server first. And now we refresh the local development web UI. As you can see, I set it up properly, and I can actually hit anywhere in the road and it's going to show me the nearest traffic info. The feature that I mainly worked on this week is this display routing thing. And then basically I can pick a date that I have data on, and I can choose a start time and end time, and then I can start retrieving data from my local database. As you can see, the reads per second in my database starts to hike, and now the read has finished, and then the little dialog goes away, and as you can see we have a traffic info slider, and then basically we can slide this thing through and it's going to show me the corresponding traffic info at the given time. So for example, from 1 to 5 a.m. nothing really happening, but then once you get into the morning you start to see some traffic, and then as it goes along, you can see the corresponding traffic at the given time. And then after 6:30, after 7, there's not much traffic again. Yeah, so something like that. The second feature that I worked on is this thing called analytics. Essentially, I can click on the date that I have data on, and then it's gonna show me the average jamming factor of 400 road items in Atlanta City. Um, so basically, when you see those yellows and greens, those color indicates a jamming factor, which means how bad the traffic is, and this is basically the average jamming factor of the roads at the given time. So this is from 0 o'clock up until to 24th o'clock. The color doesn't really mean anything, so um, yeah, and then you can see some day when we have data on. From 0 to 7, nothing really happening. But then once you get into the middle day, the traffic starts to get more. And then when you get to nighttime, the traffic, the jamming factor drops. And then you start over again. Yeah, so something like that.